So we parked up, we've had to come across the road to this place here to check in, basically. So we've got our tickets, we're parked over there. We walked down here, just where that building is. We are 2.5 hours early before it departs, and they're starting to check in already. So that was definitely a chaotic process. You park here, you go across the road to get your tickets validated. Came back, all the cars around us moved. There's one vehicle there, they've obviously just gone off to get their tickets as well. So you just kind of queue in here, 3 lanes go into one, nobody's there managing what happens. It's just a bit chaotic. So we go down this road here, around that building, and then going back up there, that is the route to get on the ferry. All we needed to take into the office were our passports and our piece of paper printed off that when we booked the ferry in the first place. Finally, through customs, now we're in another queue to get on the boat. Hopefully this will go a bit quicker, but you can see on the right there, that's where we were.
Passport control, there was just 2 police officers, and there must have been about 50 bikes suddenly rocked up at the side of us.
Took us about an hour.
Getting tired and hungry now, aren't we, babe?
We are.
Hungry!
There's the ship. There's us. Not a lot of action. We've been sat there now for about 45 minutes. The whole process so far has taken about 2 hours. Well, finally, it looks like we're actually getting on the ferry.
2 hours later.
More than that, is it?
Yeah, it is actually. 6:20. It's now 8:37. Oh my
2 hours
God.
20. And we've travelled about 200 metres. Side as well.
Anywhere. Go really steady, please. Go steady. Well, I don't know because I can't see in the mirror.
Yeah.
Enter. Let me show you. Is this the light?
Lights are extra.
I know, we have a light. Come into our luxurious cabin. Might take us all of 10 seconds.
We weren't expecting much, to be honest, but wow.
I haven't even got a toilet. I thought I was going to have a shower. I've got all my shower stuff and everything. The bed is tiny. Is that for children? That's not even a full-size bed.
You better not have too much to eat then, have you?
Oh my God. Oh, it's hysterical.
It's an experience. It's all part of this is all they had when I booked it, what, 2 months ago. Jeez.
Oh Lord.
Choice. Not quite sure what to say. There's a salad. Want a salad? The ferry from Dubrovnik to food. The beer looks alright.
The bread's actually solid.
And there we go! Italy bound!
Disco. We're in the disco area now.
Party!
Yeah.
can't believe it. We've just found a restaurant which our tickets should have taken us to. We did ask, didn't we? We actually said, where did we get our lunch? Our dinner?
Yeah.
Well, look at that compared to where we were.
Tablecloths.
I think it is the same food. This is why you get up early in the morning. So, well, there's Italy. Here's the sunrise. 6:42, 24th of September. Approaching Italy, and here we have the sunrise. What a moment. Morning, Michelle. Morning. Didn't make the sunrise, but it was beautiful. Yeah. But you did make breakfast, and we're actually in the correct restaurant this time.
Yes.
Not the, well, I can't describe it, really. It makes all the difference when you've got tablecloths.
Glasses.
This is Bari.
Buongiorno!
Welcome to Italy!
Welcome to Italy!
Well, the old girl got us here, didn't she?
Flipping was an old girl as well. Not sure I'd fancy doing it again, to be fair.
It was alright actually,
No.
I think at the end.
No, not really.
Buongiorno.
Hi.
Do you have a room for one night?
Yes, two person.
Two person.
Okay. Passport, all inclusive 25.
Okay.
Okay. Un passport, info point, registration e poi parking.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've pulled up on our first air site near Matera. The reason we've come here is because it was on.
Search for sites.
So the lovely lady has given us some beautiful free bread, which smells really nice. It's huge, and then you get the free bus shuttle as well. So it doesn't leave till 12:30, and we're both pretty tired as we didn't sleep very well on the boat, did we? So we're gonna have a little snooze, and then we're gonna go off into Sorrento.
Yeah, the shuttle actually I've booked onto that particular time, so it runs several times during the day. Okay, we've just been dropped off by the shuttle. It's not at all what I imagined from the photographs I've seen. It's very built up around here, but I'm assuming that when we get to the UNESCO site that it will be a whole different scene.
I have no idea what to expect. He's not let me see anything.
Now that's more like it.
It's special though.
Did you know this is one of the oldest inhabited places, towns in the history of mankind?
How the roofs are actually interlocked. They're actually all interlocked.
Yeah. Did you get that fact?
Yes,
Did you like it?
I did, I loved it. It's so gorgeous. Wow.
So here we go, stocking up on liquids. Before,
We have got some water as well.
we're going to go over there, walk up to those caves. Actually, I ended up here because I was watching James May on TV, and he came here, but he was too lazy to walk to the caves over there.
So we'll show him what he should. We'll be showing James May what he really missed.
I just told Michelle that inside the urinals are a bit strange. She's gone to the toilet. It's actually the sink. So just watch her reaction when she comes back.
No, that was a sink.
No, it's not. It's urinals.
Dipstick.
So this is the entrance to the walk down into the valley. Michelle seems really keen.
Always keen, babe.
Give her an apple spritz if she's up for anything. All the way down there and then all the way back up. A week goes by without us walking across the rope bridge.
I'm just sticking there. That really hurt.
There we are, first of the caves. Obviously carved out many centuries ago. They had a good view from this cave. This is quite interesting. This is blocked off, you can't go in there. Only found in 2021, but it's by Zantine. I think that's just shortly after AD, and you can see in there the chapel, and it's got a cross and some other painting work on there. So they've obviously knocked through and found that. We have snakes. This sounds good.
He was right there and then he slithered and went.
How big was it?
Longer than my hand width, like
Wow.
a greeny colour. He went down here. Just wanted to have another one.
They
Looked at me and then he went.
they come in pairs, don't they?
He went down there somewhere.
See if there's any more in here. This is the biggest one yet. And I'll be back. Out walking so long that all the restaurants virtually have shut, but we've managed to find this place which does street food. Perfect. €7 for pizza and like €1 something for a coffee.
Not pizza.
It's a lasagna.
And a coffee.
But yeah, really nice. Yeah, the restaurant's open back at 7, but we're due back on the shuttle at 7:30, so we need to get some food now. We need to go
We do.
that way to get our shuttle back.
Look how many people there are.
We've got to cross this sea of people.
Having our cereal this morning and helicopter landed and there was police around. Just see over there. Pope Francis has turned up.